In this video, you'll learn how to determine when an eBay listing was posted. This process will help you gather important information about the timing of listings, which can be crucial for making informed purchasing decisions. Begin by searching for the item you are interested in on the eBay website or app. Once the search results appear, locate the specific listing you want to investigate. The listing to open the product page, where you will find comprehensive details about the item, including the price description and seller information. Next, scroll down the product page until you reach the section that displays the listing details. This area typically includes various timestamps related to the auction or sale. For auction listings, you will often see the exact time when the listing began, which is essential for understanding the auction's duration. After locating the listing details, focus on finding the date labeled as started or listed on. This date indicates when the seller originally posted the listing. It is situated within the item details section, which is designed to provide potential buyers with key information about the item's availability. Understanding the start date of the listing can assist you in evaluating how long the item has been on the market. This knowledge may influence your decision-making process, especially if you're concerned about competition or if you prefer newer listings. Keep in mind that certain listings may have different formats or layouts, but most will still provide the necessary information regarding the listing date. If you encounter any variations in the layout, look for similar terms or sections that indicate the start time of the listing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.